Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy DJ here with Turn Me Up DJ Entertainment. I just wanted to make an intro video for y'all, you know what I'm saying, to kind of get to know me and what's going to be going on here on my channel. So first off, we're going to be doing videos, you know what I'm saying? I've been getting into editing, shooting, and just making good videos of either commercial, blogs, promos, music videos, cars. Second off, we're going to be getting into house remodeling. We're going to try to take, some rooms and make the best out of them, from game rooms to walk-in closets, just, your little dream rooms or houses or whatever you want to call it. But that's another thing we're going to be doing. I got a lot of friends of mine who've been telling me, you need to make a YouTube channel, you need to make a YouTube channel. I've been procrastinating and BSing, so you know what I'm saying? Here I am today, finally opening it up. Today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna present you with my 2014 CLS550 Mercedes-Benz, custom destroyer grade paint on it. Got the 22-inch forgiato rims, V8 bi-turbo motor, pushing about 530 horsepower. All right, guys, so let's jump into it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, let me know if there's any videos you would like to see, any verses of cars, or just any pranks that you would like to see me do here on this channel.